Good morning everyone. In last video we have seen about the motion, different types of motion. Now we are going to learn about the speed. To know the speed we need to know about the distance and time. All we have know what is time. What are the basic units of time? Seconds. What the larger units of times are? Minutes and hours. See the units of time. As we know, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, 1 day equal to 24 hours, 1 week equal to 7 days, 1 year equal to 365 days, 1 year equal to 52 weeks, 1 decade means 10 years, 1 century means 100 years, 1 millennium means 1000 years. As we are talking about the speed, see, in the world we will see so many objects in motion. To compare how fast they are moving means what we need to know? We need to know their speeds. Okay. Did you observe the speedometers in the cars and bikes? What it shows? Speedometer shows you the journey of speed of the journey, means with how much speed you are going at present instant, that shown by the speedometer. And odometer shows the total distance you traveled. Okay, what is odometer? Odometer shows you the total distance you have traveled. Speedometer shows you at present with how much speed you are traveling. See, what is the main difference between speedometer and odometer? Odometer measure the total distance. Speedometer measure the speed at instant. Reading of odometer is always increases. As we go on traveling, it's always increases, no? Like that. Speedometer, at start it will be 0. You are not moving, right? After that, if you start, it will increase. Depending upon the traffic, you will slow down, no? Speed decreases, like that. Increases, decreases. What is speed? Rate of change of motion is called speed. Speed equal to distance traveled by the time taken. What are the units? In CGS it is centimeter per second, SI meter per second. And which quantity it is? Scalar. Scalar means which have only magnitude. Magnitude is nothing but number. In which standard you are studying means you will say 7th, 8th. How old are you? 12. You are saying only number, right? That is nothing but we call it as magnitude, means it will have only number. Now we will see how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. Now we will see how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. As we know, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 1 hour equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So you will get 1000 by 3600. So by calculating this, we will get 5 by 18 meter per second. So 1 kilometer per hour equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Now we will see some numericals. A train moving with uniform speed covers a distance of 120 meters in 2 seconds. Find the speed of the train. What is the formula? Speed equal to distance by time. What is the distance they given here? 120 meters. See the units also carefully. Meters and time 2 seconds. So 120 meters by 2 seconds. You will get 60 meters per second. Next. Scooter travels distance of 3 kilometers in 5 minutes. See the units here. Here given in kilometer. Larger unit. In 5 minutes they given. They didn't given in hours, they given in minutes. Okay, calculate his speed in kilometer per hour. See, in time they given in minutes, but they ask you to find out in hours. So, what is the formula? Speed equal to distance by time. Distance, what they given? 3 kilometers. Just convert into meters. So, how much you will get? 3000 meters. Time 5 minutes. So 5 minutes they given. So convert into seconds. Okay, 5 into 60 seconds. So you'll get 300 seconds. Just do the calculate. So you'll get speed equal to distance by time 10 meters per second. We are getting in 10 meters per second. They ask you to find out in kilometer per hour. So how you need to convert 10 into 18 by 5. So you will get 36 km per hour. We will see next problem. A car covers a distance of 72 km in 2 hours. Calculate the speed in meters per second. They given in kilometer per hour and they ask you to find in meter per second. What is the distance they given? 72 km. Time 2 hours. Speed equal to distance by time. What is the distance? 72 by time. What they given? 2 hours. 72 by 2. How much you will get? 36 km per hour. You need to find out in meter per second. Just convert 36 into 5 by 18. 1 km per hour equal to 5 by 18 meters per second, right? Therefore 36 into 5 by 18. You will get 10 meters per second. Next, average speed. So what is average speed? As you are traveling, if there is no traffic means you will go with high speed, right? If any traffic jam is there means you will slow down. So on an average, with how much of speed you maintain while traveling, that is nothing but the average speed. See, when your body is moving with variable speed, then the average speed of the body is defined as the ratio of total distance traveled by the body to the total time taken. Total distance traveled by the body to the total time taken to cover the distance. See one problem based on this. A car travels 60 km in first hour and 80 km in second hour. What is the average speed? What is the formula? Total distance by total time taken. What is the total distance? 60 km and 80. 60 plus 80, 140 km. What is the time taken? First hour, second hour. 1 plus 1, 2 hours. So what is the average speed? Total time distance by total time taken. 140 by 2. We will get 70 km per hour.